Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to transfer your crypto from crypto.com app to your LSSC wallet, which is also known as Light SHA. So if you have bought or received crypto on crypto.com and now you want to move those funds to your LSSC account, maybe to participate in the plan or to earn money, so this guide is going to cover everything. I will show you how you can get the LSSC deposit address, select the right wallet, and how you can safely withdraw your funds from crypto.com. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything clearly and keep it beginner friendly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for lightsha.com. Once you are on Light SHA, you need to provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Over here, tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the option of recharge. If you are on the home page and if you want to access the recharge tab, you can tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen and select the option of recharge. Now whichever option you choose, you will be landed here on the recharge page where you will be able to see bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can basically recharge your account with. You will see USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So you need to select the one which you want to basically recharge your account with. So most probably I'm assuming that you want to withdraw your account with USDT. So you need to select USDT, then enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw, whether it is 1 USDT or 100. After selecting it, simply tap on the confirm option here in the bottom. Once you tap on the confirm option, it is going to show you this type of QR code, your transfer network, the deposit amount and the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, then come back here in your crypto.com account. Over here, you need to make sure that you have enough USDT available in your crypto.com account for the withdrawal to take place. So if you want to buy USDT here, if you see that the amount is not enough, you can tap on the buy option first of all on the home page. Then you can use the search bar in the top in order to search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, simply tap on the buy option, enter the amount of USDT that you want to buy. You can select your payment method. Based on your country, it is going to give you the recommended payment method, like it has given me Google Pay. But if you want to change it, you can tap on the add payment method and select your debit and credit card. You can also make the payment with the help of your bank account. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep it to Google Pay, and after entering the amount, simply tap on the buy option in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to simply review the details and confirm your transaction. Then on the next page, it is redirect you on the Google Play Store, and from there you need to conclude your payment and get the USDT in your crypto.com account. Once you have the USDT in your crypto.com account, simply tap on the accounts tab here in the bottom, then go to the crypto wallet option. Over here you will see all of the altcoins that you have in your account in the top list. So you need to select Tether USDT among all of these. Then after tapping on it, select the option of transfer, then select the option of withdraw. Now it is going to show you bunch of different options in front of you, like withdrawing from crypto.com to any other crypto.com account. So this is not the case with us. The exchange and the on-chain options are not available. So since we want to withdraw the money from crypto.com account to the LSSC account, you need to select the external wallet. After selecting external wallet, it is going to show you this page where you can tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, select the wallet address option. Then you need to select cryptocurrency, which in our case is Tether USDT. Then in this section, you need to paste the address that you have copied from the LSSC account. After pasting the address, simply enter the wallet name, which in our case is LSSC. Over here in the top, make sure that you select the same network which you have selected in your LSSC account, which in our case is Polygon. So you can swipe to the right and select Polygon network. After filling out all of these details, you need to press continue. On the next page, you need to again review your details, then confirm your transaction. Now, once your transaction is completed from the crypto.com's end, which is going to take around 10 minutes, so you need to go back on your LSSC account and see if you have received the money in your account or not. Once you get the money in your account, now you can use that money in order to invest in the LSSC scooters. For that, you need to come on the home page again. Here on the home page itself, you will see a bunch of different tabs. So tap on the join tab. After tapping on the join tab, you will see all of their plans, which you can basically select any of these based on the amount that you have recharged your account with. You can just scroll down a bit, select the rent option, then tap on the rent option again. Select the option of balance payment, and then if you have any coupon code, you can provide it over here. If you don't have it, you can simply just leave it as it is. Then enter the transaction password and click on the submit option. Now, as soon as you do this, you will be able to basically join into this particular plan. And now they have also given the VIP 1, 2 and 3 and 4 plans. So these are their new plans that they are equipping. So here in your account, you can basically now use that money which you have received from crypto.com in order to participate into their plans. So this is how you can basically transfer crypto from crypto.com to the LSSC account. If you face any kind of problems while receiving the money in LSSC account or sending the money from crypto.com, you can definitely contact to the customer support team. Also, if this is your first time depositing the money from crypto.com to LSSC, I would recommend you to send a small test transfers like $5 and wait for it to confirmation and wait for it to show it in your LSSC wallet. Only then you can just go back and send the full amount. So this step is best way to avoid any kind of major mistakes and feel confident about your transaction. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below if you want a similar tutorial for Binance, Trust Wallet, Robinhood or any other platforms. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one.